looks great. Things just like the newer ones. Now we gotta wash her up and make her look shiny. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're working on the MDX. This is 2014. I bought this used back, I say 2016 we bought it. And as Acura evolved, they upgraded the styles of the grills. And each generation I got looking better and better. And I was like, boy, I wish this one looked as good as the new ones. So I tried wrapping it. We wrapped it. It looks better than the all chrome pieces here. We wrapped this little piece here. Even wrapped the emblems, but as you can see, we had it for probably 2 years. It's starting to peel up, which is expected. This is the front end. And even in the little corner here, you can see it's starting to come up. So it's probably like my second or third time wrapping. So I did a pretty decent job. Lasted a while. But I think going through the car wash, and after the couple of miles we put on it, it definitely started coming up. I've been thinking many different ways to solve this problem. Buying a new grill, buying the newer model, and then modding it to fit this one, which I've seen a couple people do. People sell it pre-made, but it's pretty expensive. So I was looking online and I finally came across this. We got here a grill for the 2014 that takes out the chrome metal piece up top here and makes it look like the newer 2020 MDXs. It's like 3 pieces to this. Here's the emblem. This emblem is from a 2020 TLX. So this is to mount it, the emblem. And it's gonna fit into this grill. And the grill also comes with this bracket, which is gonna hold the emblem from the 2020 TLX. So I think it's gonna look cool. Finally get to do a little upgrade that I wanted. Give the car a new look, even though it's older. So here we also got the RDX A-Spec wheels. We gotta black out these handles. I bought a kit off eBay, so to cover them, to make them black. Then the chrome pieces here we're gonna wrap. That's gonna be my next wrap project. Let's come to the back here. We wrapped this chrome piece here in metal. I mean, we wrapped it in black. This was chrome. We got the emblems off the newer MDX. I think it's 2022 and up. Black from the dealership. And if anybody wondering, this is the same size as the 2014, the newer MDX blacked out emblem. Down here by this little light, we wrapped chrome trim on this. It's a little dirty, guys, but we daily this one, so. All right, so it shouldn't be that hard to take off the front grille. I think we're gonna have to remove the front bumper, which I have done before. So let's get started and start taking this apart. All right, first step, we're gonna take off this cover, little panel. Should expose the screws along the top of the grill. And what we have to take off to get to remove the bumper. These are just held in by clips, pops right out. Might be able to get this grill off without taking the bumper. As you guys can see here, these little, like, these things, they pop up. Once they pop up, then you can remove them. Probably need like a little screwdriver. Anyway, you pop them up, got a couple along the top. some at the bottom too. You have to remove those to get them out. You can see here on the new one, the bottom got a couple of them. So if we could get our hands down there, might be able to get the grill off without taking the bumper. So let's start taking it apart and see what we could do. I'm gonna lift the top part up, the bottom comes right out. It's actually two pieces here. That's what holds it in. Once you push this down, it locks it into place. I'll lock the grill in. So there's a couple of these along the top. Let's start taking them out. It's got a little bigger screwdriver. There's also trim tools that you could use. So I'm just gonna go keep it simple with a screwdriver. You gotta remove these two pieces here. Take this piece out. Should be the last one right here. All right guys, for the bottom of the grill, looks like you could get it from the top. You can see right here is 1, 2, 3 behind this guy, 4 and 5, 6 total. So it's enough room for in here for me to just wiggle my screwdriver around and try to pop them out. Let's try it out. All right, this gives you guys an idea. These ones come up fairly easily. I think they're the Acura ones. Lift the top, and the bottom should come up too. There you go. So there's 2 screws on each side. I'll show you them now. Got a screw right there that we have to take out. On the other side should be the screw. Should be the screw right there. Let's take those out. Should be able to remove the grill. All right, try to set this up so you guys can see it. Yeah, it's definitely coming loose. All right, let's do the other side. I'll get back to you guys. All right, I'm really happy I didn't have to take the bumper off. So we got the screws along top. I think they ended up being a total of 6, I want to say. And then like another 6 at the bottom. 2 regular Phillips head screws on the sides. And once that's it, it's off. All right, let's get the other one together so we can reassemble it. All right, first we got this piece. Again, this comes separate. The front emblem on a TLX 2020, I believe, 2019. Put a link down below. This is just adhesive backed. So we gotta peel this and then stick it on. Peel this guy off. We grab some alcohol, wipe the part down so it sticks in here. It's really good and not fly off when I'm driving on the highway. right, we cleaned it off. Let's peel it and stick it. I'm gonna peel up the side so I can see it better, line it up. Looks good. Top looks good too on top. Around, I got a special roller for this. Let's see. I forgot what this was for. All right, that should be installed good. All right, now we got to use this bracket that came with the grill assembly. It's gonna hold it so that you could screw it into the grill. So we're gonna line these notches here on each side, and there's 4 different screws. The new screw should hold it better. In. Sticks out a little here, but that's going to be behind the grill. You're not going to see it. All you're going to see is this front piece, and it's solid. It's locked in good. So these little legs here is what's going to hold it. You want to put this on top. Going to line these 2 up and the top ones up and screw them in. Results. Fire. Getting flush. It's gonna look really good on the car. Okay, now we just gotta install it in reverse order, the way we took it out. 2 screws on the side. Those 6 clips at the bottom, I think 6 or 8 clips on top, and we'll be set. right, there you have it. New grill, 2014 MDX. It looks great. This thing's just like the newer ones. Now we gotta wash her up and make her look shiny. Alright guys, if you liked the video, helped you out anyway, drop a like, drop a follow. Still got some more videos coming along for this MDX. We're gonna take on the door handles and the chrome trim by the windows. Black them out so it matches the rest of the vehicles. So if you're interested in those videos, hit that notification button so you know when we drop a new video. And see you guys in the next one.